See you later. All right, our beautiful girl is back all the way from Texas. How do you feel, Muñequita?
Good.
You feel good? Are we ready?
Yeah.
We want nothing but good vibes out there, right?
Yeah.
Positive energy.
Yeah.
Muñeca's back. I went to go eat tacos with her about 2 months ago, and she's ready for surgery. Nothing but good vibes for a beautiful girl getting a tummy tuck, lipo, BBL. Hermosa. It's gone. That's a beautiful muñeca. Nothing but good vibes, positive attitude, and prayers for the girl. Listen, guys out there, Angel here. I hope all you beautiful girls and guys had an amazing time with your loved ones yesterday, Thanksgiving, and we're back to reality, back to work, and back with our beautiful muñecas. Beautiful patient comes all the way from Texas, and she's getting a tummy tuck, muscle repair, triple muscle repair, and full body sculpture lipo, BBL, PRP fillers on her lips and on our lines, and the chin lipo. Stay tuned to see the rest. Ciao, así. Our anesthesiologist. beautiful girls and guys out there. So the doctor is doing the fat transfer to her butt, and then we'll be turning her for that tummy tuck, muscle repair, and lipo on the sides. Ciao. Let's get it. Girls and gals out there, this is the extended tummy tuck, and this once puts on the faja, it's gonna go in as a dip. There it is. It's been lipoed on, but it's extremely swollen, and that's how it's gonna look. There it is. Hi beautiful girls and guys out there. As you can see, the navel always stays in the same area. The navel is never ever moved. And there's the muscle corset. Just getting the muscles and tighten them back together. Beautiful girls and guys out there, as you can see, the doctor cut around it. Now she's gonna go in there and bring out her own belly button and restitch it. So the navel always stays in that area. One of our muñequitas was
I love y'all.
She's so cute. My beautiful girl's doing amazing. So family and friends, no worries. She's good. Are you good, love? They're watching you.
I need water.
You need water, love? It's your birthday, beautiful? Yeah? It's our beautiful girl's birthday tomorrow. It's her birthday gift. Yes, snatch. Your tummy's gone. My beautiful girls and guys out there. Our beautiful Muñeca is doing amazing. Tomorrow's her birthday, so this is a gift for her. getting snatched. She's doing amazing. So family and friends, she's doing great. She'll be calling you within within an hour. Ciao. Let's get it. You're not gonna go shopping, woman. Hey beautiful girls and guys out there, Angel here. So I'm all ready to go home. Our beautiful muñecas are resting. And tomorrow we have more muñecas. And she's actually someone famous and she wants to share a journey with you guys. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Ciao. Let's get it.